Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's take a moment to reflect on some remarkable events that happened on September 21 throughout history. In 1780, the American Revolutionary War took a dramatic turn when Benedict Arnold, a once heroic figure, betrayed his country by conspiring with the British. Fast forward to 1937. J.R.R. Tolkien's beloved The Hobbit was published, introducing readers to the enchanting world of Middle-earth. And in 1996, the first episode of the iconic animated series The Magic School Bus aired, sparking curiosity and a love for science in countless children. These moments remind us of the power of choices and creativity. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating stories.